Hello friends, welcome on board Tips for Productivity. Tips for Productivity is a means for sharing knowledge on the ways to increase productivity. Viewing and sharing of this content will help me getting a wider reach to this initiative. Do keep subscribed to get an instant update of the tips released on this channel and do share it with your friends. Today let us evaluate how we can calculate different validity days based on the different conditions. Here we are looking at 5 different conditions. One, to calculate the validity date, which is valid for 365 days including the current day. The second one being valid for 365 days excluding the current day. Third one being valid for 12 months. Fourth one being valid for 6 months. And fifth one being valid for 6 months till end of month. So considering 2nd Jan 22nd as the done date for a particular qualification, it would be valid for the corresponding dates under column E. So let us work out on under column F using the formulas. Now in the first case, the done date being 2nd of Jan and it is valid for 365 days including the current day. So we can write the formula as 2nd of Jan plus 365 days, but since the current day is getting counted, we reduce 1 and get 1st of Jan 23. In the second case, for the same done date, now it is done date plus 365 days because it is excluding the current day. So the first day starts from tomorrow. Valid for 12 months. Now in this case, I can use the function EDATE where I can put the start date as 2nd of Jan and it is valid for 12 months. So months will be 12, close brackets and enter. So I get 2nd Jan 23 as the valid till date. Now for valid for 6 months, we can use the same EDATE function where I select the done date as my start date, that is 2nd of Jan 22nd, and the month argument is put as 6 to get the date as valid till date as 2nd of July. So in both these cases, I need to subtract 1 to get the effective valid till dates. So EDATE function to compute a date and then go 1 day less so that I am within a span of 6 months or 12 months, whichever. Similarly, for calculating valid till 6 months till end of month. So suppose I have done this on 2nd of Jan 22nd. So it is valid till EDATE function will give me a date of 1st of Jan 22nd and I will compute the end of month for that. So first calculate the EDATE, select the start date, valid for 6 months. Since it is 6 months, let us do it for 6 months. Minus 1. So it will give me 1st of July 22nd. And to this entire formula, I will apply the EO month, end of month. I will put the start date as the computed value of EDATE minus 1, followed by 0. 0 represents current month. So whatever is the date, same month. So EDATE, whatever date is being calculated, end of the same month is represented by 0. So I get 31st of July. Had it been 12 months, I just have to replace this 6 within the EDATE function to 12. Thank you.